My name is Jim, and I'm one of the licensed electricians here at NC Home Electric, a division of NCWaterHeaters.com. And I'm here to walk you through the process of the installation of a whole home standby generator. This all starts with an in-home consultation where we discuss the sizing and placement of your generator, as well as check your existing electrical system for compatibility with the new generator equipment. We will also discuss any of the maintenance and monitoring options available to you. Once all this is decided, it is time for installation. This starts with the delivery and placement of the unit onto a preformed and leveled concrete pad. Then begins the wiring of the generator and equipment to your electrical service. Sometimes this also requires the existing electrical service to be replaced or repositioned for the new equipment. In order to use a smaller generator unit, we need to use what we call load shedding devices. These get installed on the large electrical loads in your home, typically your heating and air equipment. These allow the generator to get to full power before allowing these loads to turn on and stop the generator from overloading, usually a few minutes of delay. Once all the equipment is installed and wired and we connect the fuel lines, the final steps include installation of the battery and the full commissioning and startup of the unit. After running a full system check, we turn over the keys to your new standby generator system. Be prepared before the next power outage. Whether you need a portable generator connection or a fully installed standby generator, the licensed electricians at NCWaterHeaters.com can help you choose the right solution for your home. Contact us today to schedule your generator estimate.